Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. I'm recording this on Monday. We're gonna do a little bit of a garden tour, but the other thing that we really have to do is pick blackberries because they have come on hot and heavy. So we're gonna get to it. All right, so the cucumbers are looking awesome. They're growing like crazy. I've got a few to pick. I do have a bunch in the fridge, so I'm gonna be doing the rest of that pickling liquid that I had used last week. We're gonna use it probably today to get that done because it's been about a week. But yeah, no, they're looking really good. The weird coloring you're seeing is because it's so wet. Everything's just so wet right now. And Brandon is on blackberry picking duty. They are on hot and heavy. I don't know. He's got...
That's the biggest one I've seen.
Thing's huge. Yeah, our blackberries are gigantic. I don't know what happened to make them this big, but they are. Hi, Mama. Hi, baby girl. Hi, Gaby. But yeah, no, there's...
It's about average.
Yeah, that's what we normally see. But yeah, no, they're huge. Pretty much, this is our first major picking. Starting basically today, we're probably going to be picking every day for the next couple days, and then probably by Friday we're going to be starting 2-a-day pickings. Since I'm already out here, let's go over to the strawberries. Oh, Brandon, we got new flowers on some of them. Okay, so they're supposed to be ever-bearing, which means that they produce more than one round. But what they're doing right now is they're putting off their shoots. So hopefully the beds will be nice and full. This one's the one that's kind of going to town. But hopefully the beds will be nice and full by the end of the summer. And then we'll have a lot of strawberry plants instead of just a couple, which is apparently how they're supposed to grow. They're looking really good though. Flowers are really pretty. Bumbles are loving them. There's a bumble right there. But yeah, all sorts of different colors. Oop, we need to cut lettuce too, hon. Uh-huh. It has been raining pretty much nonstop for like, I don't even know how long at this point. Lettuce, our second crop lettuce is doing great. Finally have spinach that's actually wanting to grow. Onions are looking awesome. They're getting nice and big, about half the size of what we want to see them, so that's great. They're still standing, the leaves are still standing proud, so there's no reason to pick them anytime soon. Our zucchini has, I don't even know what you want to call it, but it's massive. It's huge. Let's see if I can see in here what's going on. Lots of flowers, which is good. They're kind of encroaching on the peppers, but that's okay. Peppers are starting to perk up and grow and flower, and go around the backside here. So many mushrooms everywhere. Swiss chard needs to be cut too. Carrots are looking good. The second zucchini is doing good. Okay. More blackberries everywhere. They're huge. Just gigantic. There's a lot on the inside here.
Awesome.
Yeah. Tomatoes are... I told you guys, tomato forest. Tomato forest. It happens. These cages and whatever Brandon does to these tomatoes turns them into growing machines, and it becomes tomato forest. These tomato plants are taller than me, by the way. They're almost just, they might actually be taller than Brandon at this point. But every single tomato plant has at least one tomato growing, tons and tons of flowers. The one that has the most tomatoes is actually this guy down here. And this guy is loaded down with tomatoes, which is awesome. Beans are looking awesome too. They're flowering like crazy. So hopefully we'll have beans probably in about 2 weeks, hopefully. My goal, my prayer is that they are ready when I'm actually home. That's the spaghetti squash. It's kind of loving the whole fence thing, so we're just gonna keep working with it and see how it does. Let's just see the back, this side. So yeah. There's lots and lots of blackberries. Holy cow. What's even crazier is how many that are not ripe. I mean, look at all those. Yeah, those are all not ready yet. Alright guys, I'm gonna help Brandon pick the blackberries, otherwise we're gonna be out here all day. Alright, so that's how much we picked. You really can't tell until he tips it sideways, so I could show you the lines on the thing.
About 6 quarts.
About 6 quarts is what's in there. So tip it. You can kind of see it goes to about right there. So about half the bucket basically. About 1.5 gallons, because those are 3 gallons, aren't they?
Well, 6 quarts would be 1.5 gallons.
I don't know those kind of things. Don't make fun of me. Don't do it.
Quarts are quarters.
Anyway, that is basically this part of the process. Now we're gonna go actually put these guys in the freezer because that's what we do with all of our blackberries. So you'll see that in just a second. All right, so the process for the way we do blackberries and preserve them is really easy. We freeze all of our blackberries. And the reason is it's easier. So the nice part about me loving to bake is we have a lot of cookie trays, and that's actually what we use. So line them with foil, and then the berries don't stick to the trays. Pretty simple, right? So berries, single layer on the trays. have for these two trays? I just lost a blackberry off the back. I'm gonna have to fish that up, it doesn't go bad. I need a third try. Just too many. So what's funny is, at the height of picking, meaning when we're picking twice a day, we tended to layer it like that, like I had them, just because we're like so sick of it. But early on, it's so much neater. Gabe, I'm not giving you a blackberry. It's not happening. Okay. So we are very lucky. We have a huge freezer. We got this from my in-laws, so Brandon's parents, 2 years ago now. Best thing ever. All right, so this one, if I remember right, yes, it does. That one actually fits. So let me see if I can move you guys closer so you can see the awesomeness that is our freezer. Oops. Okay, so we've got all these different compartments, meat, everything. This is actually going to end up being where all the blackberries go, over here in that section. So this tray is really awesome because it actually, like, we didn't build it this way, but it just fits perfectly. So then, this guy will actually lay on top, and I can actually put him a little bit that direction. No, that's not gonna work, because I gotta put this over here, because that's too high. That there, and we'll put this guy there. Fabulous. Okay, so there you have it. That's pretty much all we do, and then I will show you in another video how we actually like make them, you know, not be in trays, what we do after they freeze. So there you have it. It is our little bit of a tour for you. Blackberries are coming on strong. Probably going to be doing some more canning today, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye.